Unlocking the power of initiating in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of actions and beginnings by exploring the meaning and use of the word initiating. It's a word you'll come across in everyday English as well as in more formal contexts, so understanding it is key to advancing your language skills. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of this powerful word together. The word initiating comes from the Latin root initium, which means beginning. In English, when we talk about initiating something, we're talking about setting things in motion or starting something new. It could be a plan, a project, a meeting, or any action that marks the commencement of an event or process. To give you an idea, think about the first step you take towards doing something. That's initiating. It's the spark that ignites a series of actions, and it often carries with it a sense of leadership or responsibility. For instance, when a company initiates a project, it means they are beginning that project. To give you a better understanding of how initiating is used in sentences, here are a few examples. She is initiating a new research program at the university. The government is initiating measures to reduce unemployment. Our team is initiating the first phase of the development process. Notice how in all these sentences, initiating indicates the start of something. It's the action taken by an individual or group to begin something that wasn't happening before. The context in which initiating is used can change its nuance significantly. For example, in business, initiating could relate to the launch of a new product or policy. In social situations, it might mean someone is starting a conversation or interaction. In education, a teacher might initiate a new teaching method. In each case, the word carries the same base meaning of beginning, but the implications and results are different based on the context. Initiating can also be part of phrasal verbs or expressions. For instance, initiating contact means to reach out to someone for the first time. Initiating a dialogue means starting a conversation, often with a purpose of resolving issues. Understanding these expressions will help you comprehend and participate in conversations more effectively, as they are commonly used in both personal and professional communication. I hope this video has clarified the meaning and use of initiating for you. Remember, it's all about getting things started, whether it's a plan, a conversation, or an action. Use this word to express beginnings and take charge with confidence in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video, and happy learning!